mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be doing a wig install with a wig from Ft.Vshow hair. Ft.Vshow has amazing wigs, y'all. When I tell you, I've tried another wig before, a textured wig, and now I'm trying their straight wig. This is a 13x4 180 density lace frontal wig. It is in 22 inches and I am so here for the length. Okay, this hair is sleek, shiny, silky, and that's actually the name of the wig, and I'm loving it because it's giving exactly what it said it was supposed to give. So this wig I did glue down, so you know this install will last me a nice week or a couple days, depending on whenever I take it off, and I'm here for it. I love this wig. I'm definitely gonna be wearing it again because it's one of the sleekest, silkiest wigs that I've ever worn. And if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So definitely go ahead and check out the link to this gorgeous wig. And without further ado, let me just stop rambling and let's get into the tutorial. final look. This wig is from Ft.Vshow hair. They sent me a 22-inch straight lace frontal wig, and this is how it looks. I love it. It's really sleek. It got super bone straight, y'all. Like, do you see how nice and shiny this hair is? I am in love it, and I know you love it too if you purchase it. I've had no problems with shedding or tangling or none of that stuff. This hair is honestly one of the silkiest wigs I've ever had, and I love it. I am so here for it. It's giving, and I may or may not like put some baby hairs in the middle. I've been doing like these two baby hair things, and or two edges, and I like them, but I might put one in the middle because that's just the vibe that this wig is giving off. But the part is really nice and long. I'm just living for this wig. This wig is really nice, and I know you guys would love it too if you purchased it. So the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Again, this wig is from Ft.Vshow hair, and thank you so much for sending me this gorgeous wig. It is amazing, and I'm loving everything about it. It was easy to plug, easy to tint. All I do is get some foundation on a brush and just rub it in. You guys seen me, you know, rub in some excess foundation here and there where I feel like I didn't tint enough, but I like it. It's giving not wig, so I'm here for this. So again, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try to get to you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.